Hey, welcome back to the Jump 15 channel. My name is Kyle, and in this video we're covering the alternate foot or high knee jump rope skill. This is a must-learn jump rope skill. Even if you're a beginner and you are not really into learning any crazy tricks, this is a staple move that you need to learn because one, it gets your legs involved, which is gonna amplify your workouts, and it's gonna allow you to build up your tempo to faster speeds. And I know you wanna be able to jump fast. And if you do wanna learn how to jump fast, check out this video right up here that I did on exactly that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Let's do this. First, we need to make sure we have the regular bounce down with good form. Symmetrical from side to side, hands at hip height, elbows pointing backwards, and wrists rotating the rope. To get the alternate foot skill footwork down, simply run in place. You can do a shallow or high knee step. Now let's add in the rope. If the skill is difficult for you, try this drill. Every few regular jumps, raise one leg while you jump off the other and return to regular jumps. Work up to where you raise the one leg every other jump. Practice with both sides. This will help you get used to raising the leg while still jumping the rope. Now let's go full on alternate foot jump, but start off slowly. It's tempting to go faster right out the gate, but that will lead to more trip-ups. Get used to the motion and gradually add more speed. You can go with a high knee jog, but note that your tempo will change and you will need to focus on keeping your hands down at hip level. A common mistake with alternate foot is standing up or leaning back when performing the skill. This takes you out of an athletic position, so avoid this tendency. Instead, maintain an athletic position by leaning slightly forward and attacking the skill as shown here. All right, always make sure you're practicing with good form and technique, and whenever you're learning any new skill, make sure you're starting slow and then gradually adding pace to it, because that's gonna help you build the muscle memory in whether it's the foot pattern or the arms crossing or whatever skill you're learning, and that's gonna allow you to progress much faster, because most people just try to jump into it too quick. They just get tangled up in their rope and then you get frustrated, and that's no good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, so I know to make more videos like this one, and leave a comment telling me why you love to jump rope. What is it that keeps drawing you back to it and that you enjoy? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.